Hello guys, ngayon araw na to ay i-unbox natin ang isang power station. It's called EcoFlow River 2. Okay, so this particular power station has good reviews from other campers. So tara, buksan natin to. Let's see what's inside. Okay? Actually, we've been naghahanap pala kami ng reliable na power station. Marami na ako tingnan, binasa, chinek yung mga vlogs, yung YouTube videos ng other people na nakagamit na dito. So that's the reason why I decided to purchase this. So, eksakto lang naman to sa mga needs namin sa camping. We don't have that much electronics except for mga phones, laptops, tablets. So, gawin natin. Hindi maganda po compared to other power stations. And the best thing about this particular power station and the company is that it is well known and very reliable. Yung customer service nila, good also. Tried it. Message ako sa kanila. All the questions that I need to have answer. Tanong ako. Mga bagay na kailangan gawin sa power station na to maintain it. Tinanong ko din sa kanila. Plus, of course, yung mga reviews. And, napakaganda kasi very compact siya. Ganda ng packaging niya, very secure. Meron siyang own box, tapos double bubble wrap. So, kudos ko dun sa company. Na-receive ko siya ng mabilis, within 2 days. 2 days actually, 2 days. So, very fast para sa isang power station. So, ganda ng hindi naka-seal niya sa loob. Very secure. Ito yung naka-box niya. EcoFlow. Okay. First manual, which di naman laging binabasa. Mas reliable pa yung mapapanood mo na nagbablog. So, pero it helps to read this. Oh. It's actual unit. Oh. First impression, nung nakita ko siya, wow, maganda siya. Actually, very compact. Okay. Ito box ito. Of course, it comes with accessories. Ito yung easy port to wire niya sa AC. Ito yung sa car, may car port or car plug. Okay, may additional plug din siya dito. That's it. Yung mga accessories siya kasama niya. Yung nga pa lang sa solar niya, you have to buy it separately. Of course, the solar panels. In the box. Ito yung unit. See? Yeah. Meron siyang adapter sa kotse. Ito yung port na yan. 2 USBs. One for Type-C. This is the monitor itself, the AC plug. Okay. The back, makikita mo yung exhaust. Okay. Another 2 plugs. Okay, the instruction or yung mga information needed. Yung ilalim niya. Okay. Color is nice. light gray, dark gray. Let's try to switch it on. See? Meron siyang 30% charge out of the box. 30% charge. Meron siyang 77 hours you want to use it. Okay. So it is 77, so 30% charge. I think from the instruction, you have to charge it first. But let's see. I'll use it less than 10%. I'll charge it. Okay. Says that you can charge this from 0 to 100% in 60 minutes or 1 hour. So, pati tinan yung maigi. Ganda niya. Grabe. Sulit to. Very portable. EcoFlow River 2.